Hey, Josh. I was listening to your stream on my way home from Kung Fu. And I got home and I looked it up. And there's not much out there. But I did find something that might be of use to you. MusicElectronicsForum.com. Fender, the twin switching channel not working. Hey folks, got this twin back in with another issue. Doesn't seem to be completely switching to the dirty channel. Okay, I haven't read through this whole thing, but it's got some, looks like it's got some technical know-how on here. And I saw some schematics, you know. It's not long, but there might be a clue here for you. I don't know. And Telecasters. I know what you mean about not liking the shape of a Telecaster. And it's funny because I think I used to feel the same way. And then I played one, and I owned one, and I never looked back. And now I really like the shape of it. No, what it was, I didn't like the shape of the Telecaster headstock. Now I love it. And the associations that you have, the twang and the country music, I get that too. But so I've got a couple of suggestions for you. I think you should check out Tele's. I think you might be pleasantly surprised. Although I think it might not be enough to just pop into a guitar store. Like, I think you'd have to kind of live with one for a week or so. They've got their own thing, man. They're completely different from Strats. But again, I'm going to put a couple of links down there in the description. Maybe you know Richie Kotzen. Richie Kotzen. He was like on Roadrunner Records or Shrapnel, you know, like back in the 80s. When I was coming up, learning to play guitar, he was one of those shredders, you know. It was either Roadrunner or Shrapnel. Probably Shrapnel. And now, you know, like he's my age. He's in his mid-50s, and I like his stuff. I like his recent stuff. I think he just recently came out with a new album. I dig it. I like it. And he's a he's a Tele player. He plays Teles. And also, I think some time ago he gave up using picks. So he's like an old shredder, but he plays Teles with his fingers. I guess kind of a la Mark Knopfler, but different. And I want to refer you to a concert, Austin City Limits, 1985, Merle Haggard. I don't care how anybody feels about country music. That is a tremendous performance. That concert has it all. And Merle plays a Tele, if memory serves. I'm certain it's a Tele. And look at the way he plays that thing. So effortless. just like it's nothing. Oh, man. And he's got another younger guitar player playing a Gibson. That's a hell of a show. You should check it out. Anyway, I'm glad you're enjoying your new guitar. Oh, there's one other thing I wanted to recommend that, or suggest, not recommend. You probably already know about it, but I can't remember the name of the pedal company. I just remember that it was called the OCD. I used to have one. I'm just going to type in OCD pedal. It was no, it wasn't full tone. No, it wasn't full tone. Damn it. It wasn't full tone. All right. Hang on. I'm going to pause this real quick while I rack my brain. Yeah. Now I remember. I never had a full tone pedal. It was the RC Boost. Is that it? RC Boost pedal. RC Booster. Exotic Effects. That's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Images. Okay, well, that's what it looked like when I had it. Stands for Real Clean Booster. That thing was phenomenal. Back when I had like a huge pedal train, pedal board, and I used it with, I can't remember if that was when I had the American Tele or the Mexican thin line. But you might be able to pick one up used. And what this thing does for pickups is remarkable. It might be just something to think about. Check it out. You're guaranteed to love it. I guess, it's, of course, the first and best option is to get pickups in there that are nice and hot and you like them. Oh, and the P90 at the bridge, I agree. Why are they putting a humbucker there in that? Is that a thing they did in the 70s? I mean, isn't that like what Eddie Van Halen did? Was it a Strat that he put a humbucker in? Hang on. Did something like that. Did Eddie Van Halen, it was a Frankenstrat, right? Put a humbucker in his Stratocaster. Yes, Eddie Van Halen did put a humbucker in his Stratocaster. That was called the Frankenstrat, right? Yeah, there it is. He replaced a single coil pickup in the bridge position with a Gibson PAF humbucker to achieve a thicker, more powerful sound for his high-gain solos. In 1977, Van Halen purchased a factory second S-style body that would eventually become the iconic Frankenstrat. Yeah. Okay, well, anyways, I think P90 is a good idea. But I still think this thing right here I just think you would love this thing if you haven't checked it out already. Check it out on YouTube. There's all kinds of reviews of it. It's fucking amazing, dude. There's also an AC booster. I can't remember. Did I have the RC or the AC? Oh, yeah. The AC is the yellow one. I had the white one. I had the RC booster. That's the yellow one right there. Okay, anyways, it's my dinner time. I decided to sit down and throw this out there for you. But yeah, good to see you enjoying your new acquisition. And yeah, I look forward to hearing what you do with it. Okay, buddy. Take care down there. And yeah, well, probably won't talk to you, but yeah, we'll be back and forth. And is there anything? No, I think that's it. Okay, take care, Josh. Over and out.